What's going on, everybody? This is Robert from robertearlreed.com, and this is your home of character, cryptos, and cash flows. And today, you know what? I want to cover a little topic, which is about the glossary of crypto terms. A lot of people are getting into crypto. It's exciting. It's the new hot topic. But I was looking at a video by good old Crypto Stash, and he wrote an article, and he's really talking about some terms in crypto. And I think if you want to get up to speed, I think some of these terms are really important. Now, the reason why I chose this to show you guys is because he broke it down in very, very simple terms. Okay, he posted this last year, August 23rd, and it just has some real simple terms. So I like these simple definitions. But again, it is from Crypto Stash. If you want to check that out. But let's go over some of those terms real quick. The first term, wallet. A wallet, in terms of cryptocurrency, is a digital place to store your Bitcoins or altcoins. There are many different types of wallets, and he covers it more in the rest of this article. But the wallet is where you can digitally store your cryptocurrencies. It's a physical place, kind of like a Legend, like a Lego Nano. I have a Lego Nano S. Check the description box below for a wallet that you can order, and you can take your cryptos off the exchanges and put them on a physical wallet to keep it in your possession. This is probably really important, especially coming off the news of Japan and their exchange being hacked, and a lot of NIMs or NEMs was compromised. So check out that video for more on that. The next term is fiat. Okay, now fiat, this term is used a lot to set the two worlds of cryptocurrency and traditional currency apart. Now, the greenbacks that are in your pocket, your US dollars, or if you happen to be across the pond, you're in euro, or you're Japan, your yen, that is that is fiat currency, and that's what we normally call fiat currency. Fiat money is physical currency that a government has declared to be legal tender, but is not backed by a physical commodity. For example, our American dollar used to be backed by gold, but it is no longer, since it's been taken off the gold standard since the 70s. The next term, altcoin. This is an umbrella term used to refer to every other coin besides Bitcoin. There are thousands of different coins out there, all with their own individual purpose. Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, Monero are examples of altcoins, as they are alternatives to Bitcoin. So to be clear, there is Bitcoin and there are altcoins, and altcoins are alternative to Bitcoins. Bitcoin itself is not an altcoin. Address. Every wallet has an address, which is a string of numbers that act like a bank account number. People can send your cryptocurrency directly to this address. You need different addresses for each cryptocurrency link, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. All right, next term, HODL. HODL, hold on for dear life, is an acronym, but it really started as a kind of an accident. I can attest to that. I saw a couple of articles about that, where it's just kind of a misspelling, but basically became part of the cryptocurrency lexicon. Finishing up, according to the crypto legend, it was a misspelling on a post on the bitcointalk.org forum. Basically, the practice of holding on to your coins and not selling. Blockchain. I like this. This is a very simple definition for blockchain. And this is an unchangeable digital ledger where every transaction lives forever. It is the underlying technology of all cryptocurrency, and is and will continue in a huge way to change human life as we know it. Okay, so it is a digital ledger that is out there in the ether, so no one can manipulate it. It's just kind of a independent third party, or kind of what makes us decentralized. The next term, block. A block is basically a batch of transactions that is processed and recorded forever on the blockchain. Really simple. This is why I was telling you I love his simple definitions here. Bear or bearish, the term used to denote that the market is going down. Same term is used in the stock market as well, which leads me to bull or bullish, term used to denote that the market is heading up. So you've already heard of bear market or bull market. Next, we have private key. Now, this is like your top secret password to unlock your wallet. Never share this. It is 100% full access to your cryptocurrency. This private key protects your wallet. So your private key, by all means, keep it private. The next term, 11, public key. The public key is mainly used to accept cryptocurrency to your wallet. So if your friends was going to send you 5 Bitcoin, that's a cool friend, then you would give them your public key of your wallet to send the Bitcoin to. A couple more terms. FOMO, which simply means fear of missing out. People tend to see prices drop or rise, or a hot coin or ICO on the market, that they don't want to miss out on the opportunity. Resisting the FOMO, or fear of missing out, can be hard, but you must use the force, Luke. So we cannot be driven by our emotions. So we don't want to do that. So the next in line would be FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Now this describes a general disinformation strategy to cause fear among consumers or competitions. Now, if you look at the media, there's a lot of naysayers or very negative people out on the cryptocurrency front. Not a lot of people are getting turned around, but they do spread a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Emotions tend to drive the market more than anything, so don't get into the FUD side. So what I like to say is that some people buy in fear, FOMO, and they sell in FUD. So that could be a big problem. Let me give you the last two terms. ICO, which simply means initial coin offering. Now this is when a coin first puts their token or currency on the market for people to purchase. It's really that simple. It's almost like an IPO for a stock. And in fact, it is like this, like an IPO for a stock, initial public offering. So this is initial coin offering. And that's really what it is. And the last term I want to define is pump and dump. Okay, now this is a method of hyping up a coin by buying and holding and getting others to do the same thing, only to then dump it or sell it off at the highest price. So you just want to get a coin, buy it, and then convince everybody else to buy it, and you ride the wave up and then you sell without telling anyone else. So it's kind of a pump and dump. Now there's a lot of influencers out there who use their platform to perform these pump and dumps. Also, there's people who form groups to do just that, just to pump it and dump it. Now, there's not a whole lot of regulations in the way of cryptocurrencies, but tactics like this will drive the government to stick their tentacles in this wonderful world of cryptos that we have. But we know what happens. History tells us that good apples spoil the whole bunch. We've had, I'm an insurance broker, and there was a time where you could market certain ways, whether it be, Medicare Advantage. But because there are some people out there, some unscrupulous people, they would go out and do some very, very evil things to get people to sign up for some of the insurances. And so a lot of regulation came down. Again, it was great. It was lucrative. Everyone could make a lot of money, but you had some people who had to be greedy, lazy, sneaky, and underhanded to mess up the entire industry as far as it comes to marketing. Now, of course, the industry is still very lucrative. There's a lot of money to be made, but there are some stricter rules in the way of marketing, especially when it comes to Medicare Advantage. But I don't want to change the subject there. So guys, those are the first 15. I will break this up and do another part, a part 2 for the next 15 terms. I hope you guys enjoyed it. While you're at it, hit that notification button, smash it, smash it, smash it. I want you guys to join the notification gang. I don't want you to miss any of the blogs that I put out on this particular subject. Comment, rate, subscribe. Put your comments down below. Until next time, conquer with some crypto.